It's really bad.
The productivity will go down.
Everything will get affected.
To reach the office, it will take approximately in Bangalore, it will take 2 hours.
See, now generation is very much aggressive towards the work, but it doesn't mean that we should know. We should take advantage of that. Each work hour should be minimum 8. Or if it is like we are thinking that workload is more, then definitely being a youngster, we can increase our time also. There is no issue in that.
So it will be like we put our 80% in work. So where is our personal life?
I don't think it'll really work because the productivity will come down after a age. People are exhausted, so it'll definitely come down. The productivity will come down.
If we try to hit the target also, it would be a mental pressure for us. We can't manage for 10 hours. I guess it is a bad idea of making it 10 hours from 8 hours. Now only the people are struggling to reach the product because everyone will not have a good team to cope up with the work. So somewhere that micro monitoring or micromanagement or the manager pressure or the team will not be cope up with the person.
Until unless to stay as a bachelor, there's no problem. Once the family is there, means the people, they are like, I'm a bachelor, for me there's no problem. The people who are, staying in Bengaluru with along with the, family and all, parallelly doing these things and all means, so for them, it's like, it will create a lot of problems. It will be. So that is the thing. So government needs to think about it.
Our family life and everything, social life, everything will get affected because 9.5 is only too much. And I feel it should be around somewhere 8, 8.5. That would be better to maintain a good emotional balance and everything.
So what I feel is that if such a thing happens, they should give us some concession in another way so that we can balance out the work as well as our life. Otherwise, there's going to be a lot of disproportion.
See, when you have some deliverables and 1 day or 2 day in week or 1 day in month you have to extend, that will help. But every day if you are increasing to 10 hours, it is going to reduce the productivity. People will spend less time on working and more time on chit chatting, and that is going to happen.
Traveling time, as in Bangalore is traffic, and by metro itself it takes 2 hours for me to reach my home. Like either it should be flexible or your deadlines have to be met. Either of these has to be done. Like stay in office also, work here also, go home, take back work to home also. That's not happening. I mean, it hampers one's health, mental issues, every physical issues. It's too tiring for him. So it should not be increased at all.
The travel time is to the office is like around 1 hour. If they increase, well, coming also it will be a difficult because they have to leave 1 hour, 2 hour early, and even after leaving also they have to go 1 hour, 2 hour early, where the personal space will come. See, by reaching home only it will get midnight. So if we stay up at night, and what health will we have?
Since I'm passionate about it, so I don't care about how many hours I'm working for.
But do you have personal time? Like, how is the work-life balance for you?
Since I've recently started my career, as of now, like my personal time itself is giving time to my work. I've considered it like that, and I feel quite comfortable working for more hours. It seriously doesn't affect me if I have to work for strictly 9 hours or 10 hours.